Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Natural Living by Enovi, where I show you how easy it is to prepare your favorite meals with healthy options, driving directions around Jamaica's self-care, home care, and so much more. My focus is always on a healthy lifestyle and discussions on how to maintain a positive mindset. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Subscription is free, so all you need to do is press that red arrow at the bottom of the video. Which is Duke Street. Thank you. That is the Bank of Jamaica in front of us. Turn right. So we're downtown Kingston, Jamaica. So we're right across from us is the Jamaica Conference Center and the Seabed Authority. If we took the left, we would be going down Ocean Boulevard. This is a one-way street. If you take the right, this runs parallel to King Street. So to the left of us we have Church Street, and then further left we have King Street. This is Port Royal Street. We're going over. This is Harbour Street. First Global Bank on your right, Broadbent Jamaica Vision on your left. Oh, some potholes in the road. I have to stop and some big craters. This street here on your right and your left is where you have the art walk with all the murals on the walls. BM Group, Victoria Mutual on your right, Alaska Microfinance on your right, Sagicor on your left, Sagicor Bank. This is Tower Street. We're just going over Tower Street. We're still on Duke Street. National Commercial Bank on your left, Jamaica National Bank on your right. All the major banks almost is on this street. British Caribbean Insurance Company on your right. BCIC parking on your left. Advantage General on your right. Duncox and Oret Law Firm on your right. DHL Paymaster on your right. And on this street is where you go to get your police record in Jamaica. I think it's this place here on your right. Technical Services Division, I'm not sure. This is Law Street running across. Registrar General's Department on your right. Gabidon's Headstones on your right. Kingston and St. Andrew Family Court on your left. Eastern Dental Center on your right. And this is church here on your right. There's a Texaco gas station on your right. What is street here that come down here? So name Queen Street, East Queen Street. I think this is East Queen Street. left. This is Beeston Street. George William Garden House on your left. That's where Jamaica Parliament is. And this road takes you straight up to National Heroes Park. Another beautiful building on your right. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, there's a Bustamante Industrial Trade Union on your right. Keep in the right lane if you're going to turn right at Heroes Circle. You keep in the left lane if you're going to turn left at Heroes Circle. So I'm gonna drive around Heroes Circle so you can see how it is. So the national heroes and some other outstanding Jamaicans are buried at National Heroes Circle. You have Crab Circle here on your left. Not much business going on these days. Only 2 people. Coach Group of Schools on your left. Not sure what that is. So if you wanted to go to Crossroads, you could take the left turn further up. Go to Crossroads. You could take this to go back downtown. This left here, that's King Street. And it goes straight downtown. So we're going around in a circle so you can see what Heroes Circle is all about. Very careful here, very careful. Got people coming in this side, people turning right, people going all sorts of place. Go past there, so terrible. Look at them, and they don't have anywhere going in now. So Jamaica people drive me. Look at this man, I come up like he want to lick up in my vehicle. I tell you about them, I say they are so terrible. Other people think Jamaica is all great and happy, but when you have to live here with the people, it's not nice at all. It's nice to come on a vacation or go do some cooking and whatever. This is Woolmar's Boys School on your left. Not that people think Jamaica is a bed of roses, but to live here is different from to just visit. And Woolmar's Girls School is on your left. There we call them brother and sister schools. So you turn right. To turn left, we'll go to Crossroads to New Kingston, Tom Redcombe Drive. Turn right to go downtown. So it's another funny turn. You have to be so careful because people don't really give you a pass, you know. And there's no stoplight, so you just have to be very careful. Don't take any chances and think people are gonna stop. They will not stop for you. You have a few good Samaritans and that's it. This is the Ministry of Finance and the Public Service on your left. Ministry of Labor and Social Security. This is one office. The other office is on North Street. Let me drive there and show you where the other office is. So the other office deals with like labor stuff and like work permit and all of that. The one on North Street. This is the Ministry of Education on your left. So remember, when you're giving pass, make sure don't do sudden stops. Look in your rear view mirror first and ensure it is safe to stop before you be a good Samaritan and give people pass, because that might make somebody hit you in your back. So I will turn on North Street and let you see where the Ministry of. I'm gonna stop there today. Tax Office of Jamaica Tax Office. This is the Lena Company on your left. So if you have issues at work and all of that too, if you think you were dismissed inappropriately, you can go to the Ministry of Labor to report it to, and they deal with the farm workers down that side too, farm workers savings and stuff. That is East Street going down. So this is the Gleaner Company. We did this in another video. Then we're going to the Ministry of Labor. If you want a work permit, this is where you would come. Okay, so this is where our video ends today. I just want to say thank you again for watching, guys, and remember to like my video, to subscribe. Just touch on that little red arrow at the bottom right hand of the screen, and also to subscribe, to share, to comment. Just say nice video, anything, because that helps my video to grow. I so appreciate you tuning into my channel. And also check out my other, like my cooking videos. I do some Jamaican stuff too. So thanks again for watching and have a great day. Bye.